Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to present you an external battery pack from Samsung. It has 20,000 mAh capacity, it supports 45 watts super fast charging, and it has 3 USB-C ports. This is how the box looks like. We have a picture with the product on this side. We don't have anything on this side. Here we have some technical specifications. It also tells you the remaining battery power legend. This is the model number, EB-P4520. It's made in China, of course. And this is it. This is how the box looks like. Now let's open it and let's see what we'll find inside. Okay, the box is empty. Let's put it aside. And this is the battery pack. Let's take it out from this support. And here in this paper support we have some manuals. Yeah, I'll have to read them. And what else we have? We have a short USB-C cable. It's very short, I think it's around 30 centimeters. It's USB-C to USB-C, rubber, and the quality looks good. Okay, let's have a look at the battery pack. So this is the battery pack. It's very nice, it feels very premium. It's gray. We have 20 here, meaning the capacity 20,000 mAh. It's made of, I would say plastic, but glossy plastic. Here we have the Samsung logo and again some technical specifications. Okay, and here on the top of the battery we have the 3 USB-C ports. We have this button, and when you press it you can see the charging state of the power bank. Right now we have only 3 LEDs out of 4, meaning that it is charged close to 70 to 75%. And this is it. In terms of size, it's like my hand. I would say it's like a smartphone. And it's a bit heavy, to be honest with you. It has around 350 to 400 grams. Okay, I suggest to test it now, and in order to do that I will do a comparison with the Samsung 45 watts power adapter. I'm going to charge my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First I'm going to use the socket power adapter, this one here. It's a 45 watts power adapter. I'm going to measure with the application what is the charging speed, and then I will measure the charging speed from the battery. Because it says that it supports up to 45 watts, I expect to deliver the same charging speed as the power adapter. So let's try it now. Okay guys, so in order to do the test, I have my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra here. I have the application called Battery Charger, and this application shows you the charging speed here when you connect a charger. So right now I'm going to connect my phone to this 45 watts wall charger from Samsung, and I want to see what is the charging speed from the wall. Okay, now the phone is connected to the wall charger. And as you can see, the charging speed goes up to 23-24 watts. This is what I get from a 45 watts wall charger. Again, original charger, original Samsung cable. Good, so we get a constant 23 to 24 watts charging speed. Now let's remove the wall charger and let's connect the battery. I have the battery pack here. I connected a USB-C cable. Okay, the battery has 3 dots out of 4, and now I want to connect it to the phone. Again, I'm using an original Samsung cable. And as you can see, the charge speed is almost the same as the speed that I've got from the wall charger. So this is pretty nice. It delivers the same performance when you are using just one single port. Good, very good. It means that it really is super fast charging. Again, 24 watts. So the same performance as the wall charger. Now, what I want to do, I want to use all ports. So I'm going to charge 3 devices to see how much the power is dropping per port. So let me bring the other devices. So right now I'm charging 3 devices. So I'm charging this smartphone here, I'm charging this tablet here, and I want to charge my smartphone. As you can see, all devices are connected to the battery, and now let's connect the smartphone to see how much power loss we have per port. Okay, so as you can see, from 24 per port, it dropped to 6, 7 per port. So 3 to 4 times loss when you charge 3 devices with the battery. Good, and if I disconnect one of the devices, I disconnected the tablet. Now as you can see, the charging power goes up to 15. Yeah. And if I disconnect the other smartphone, the charging power now goes up to, let's see, it should go up to 22, 24. Yeah, so like the first time. And if I connect back another device, so it stays at 14. Yeah, so basically when you connect two devices, you lose, let's say, half of the power, and when you connect 3 devices, you lose around 65% of the power per port. Let's connect the tablet now. Yeah, and when we have 3 devices connected, you get around 6 to 7 watts charging speed. But I'm curious to see if I move the ports around. Let's move it in the middle. So right now my smartphone is in the middle. So the same 6 to 7 watts. So the ports are all the same charging speed. 6 to 7, and let's try the last one to see. So I'm going to switch the cables, and now let's see the last port. Yeah, it's the same 6 to 7 watts. So all the ports are the same. You don't have a faster port. Good. Guys, this was my short unboxing and review of this battery pack. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.